what are agent-driven systems? We already discussed it, right? But just to recap. So these, so AI shifting business roles, those centered on decision making and analytics, right? In today's organizations, the value of data goes beyond creating static reports. It's about enabling smarter, faster decisions that drive real outcomes. Oh, no, what am I saying here? This is no, I'm sorry, I was in a previous slide. Sorry about that. Okay, so this is just about agentic systems, and we discussed this already, isn't it? So, what are agent-driven systems? They use AI agents. They have context. They have inputs. They plan. They perceive, and they adapt. Uh, Compared to static pipelines, agents can choose between multiple options, and they can be orchestrated in intelligent way by connecting them with external APIs and learning from the feedback. So, if you have a product role, then this changes how your products, the features are designed, like we discussed earlier. Guardrails are there for agents that don't do this. For example, if the plane ticket is instead of 5,000 rupees, it is 25,000 rupees, then drop it. Don't do it. So any kind of guardrail which is around expenses or ethics, that line should not be crossed, but that is the responsibility of the product manager to provide the prompts around or the data around that. What is a AI assistant? Can coordinate multiple internal systems. Multiple agent workflows can handle complex cases and autonomous optimization loops. Right now, the agents we discussed right now were about one agent. Now, if you have multiple agents, right? For example, you have HR agent, recruitment agent, and a travel booking agent. So we discussed those independently. But now the task is to get the person who has to be recruited into the interview. That means you have to send him the plane ticket also, right? So the persona of the person who's not yet an employee will be maybe that, okay, we have to send him economy ticket. You have to book him an economy hotel, but it has to be nearby the organization where he's coming. And so that the agent will go ahead and make that booking. It may not be set up to take a whole lot of approval from the person, the employee who's being booked for, but in terms of the approvals, but it has to still get an approval that are you available on this date to travel and all that stuff, that approval has to be taken. So now that orchestration between these two agents has to happen. So that also has to be set up. That becomes the assistant, which is orchestrating these two agents. So then, of course, you can design a system which orchestrates one agent, two agents, three agents, multiple agents. You have to set the constraints, objectives, and boundaries around that. That's agent-driven systems, right?